Plugging in your Corsair keyboard only to realize the computer does not detect it cannot be good, especially when keys stop responding or RGB lights fail to appear. Many users notice the keyboard staying completely inactive, disappearing from software, or working briefly before disconnecting again. Sometimes the keyboard powers on but never appears inside settings or companion software. In many situations, a Corsair keyboard not detected issue can happen because of USB communication problems, cable interruptions, software conflicts, or temporary system glitches. Before reconnecting random accessories repeatedly or changing settings without checking the basics, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the Corsair keyboard detected properly. Disconnect the Corsair keyboard completely and reconnect it securely to another USB port on the computer. 2. Restart the computer and reconnect the Corsair keyboard after startup finishes completely. 3. Check whether the keyboard appears in system settings or companion software if supported by your model. 4. Try another USB cable or different connection method if your Corsair keyboard supports removable cables. 5. Test typing afterward and confirm whether the Corsair keyboard responds and gets detected normally again.